welcome back to my channel. My name's Siobhan and in today's video I am doing a jigsaw lock. So if you're interested in how I do that, then please keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to take is my Snazaroo white paint. I'm just going to cover my entire face with this. Okay, now that I've covered my entire face in white paint, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a damp beauty sponge and I'm going to go into like a grey colour. I'm just going to dot it like all over the face, just so my face looks a little bit mucky. Just like so. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I've done a smoky eye on both eyes and I've done one eyebrow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my eyeliner and my liquid liner and I'm just going to go like through the brow, so start up at the bottom. I'm just going to go to the top of it and I'm almost tracing out my natural eyebrows. But I'm not filling them in. Just like so. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my lipstick and I'm going to go ahead and draw the circles on my cheeks. So let me just shoot off, find the correct brush, and I'll be straight back. Okay, so I am back and I found a brush and it is the Jessup 317. This is the winged liner brush. I'm going to go ahead and take some lipstick. I'm going to just smush it at the back of my hand, just so I've got more than enough there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to coat my brush with it, just like so. And then I'm just going to do a spiral shape. Just like so. I'm going to just keep following it round. Just like so. Okay, so I have finished them two swirls. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and take my black liner again and I'm going to just draw two puppet-like lines from my mouth. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to do my lips and my eyelashes and then I'll be straight back for the outro so you guys can see the finished look. So there you guys have it. This is the finished look. I've just taken my hair out. I've stuck on a bit of eyelashes in, they are dose of lashes in the style Heartache. I've also put on a shirt. I've also put a tie on, but I've made it into like a dicky bow. Try my best, don't judge. So yeah, this is the finished look. If you like this, then please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so you never miss an upload. And I will see you guys on Halloween for a very special upload. I'm so excited to do this look, and yeah, I will see you guys on Halloween. Bye.
You don't know me, but I know you. I want to play a game. There is only one key to open the device. It's in the stomach of your dead cellmate. You better hurry up. Live or die.